Hello, this is Mobilant. In the previous video, we temporarily installed a motor and a double crown fork onto the frame. In this video, we will be installing the gear shifter and cable-related components. Now, let's start installing the main character of the frame, the gear shift cable.
It's an Echo, it's freewheeling, but it reaches 88 kilometers.
Did you enjoy the video? Subscribing and liking the video will greatly support our content creation. Thank you for watching.